Hi children, we have an exercise today where you're going to identify the gender. Yes, at home you have mom and dad, brother, sister. Yes, so identifying gender. Is it feminine or masculine? Okay, so we are going to have two columns, masculine gender, feminine gender. So you're going to identify the gender from the sentence that's given, underline it first, then put it into the column below. Yes, it's an interesting exercise. I hope you'll enjoy the exercise. Let's look at our first sentence. Look here. Identify the gender. We'll place the masculine genders in the red box, feminine genders in the purple box. Let's look at our first sentence. The queen is very kind. The queen is very kind. Now, look at this word. Queen. The queen is man or woman? Yes, woman. So, is it masculine or feminine? Definitely, queen is a feminine gender. So, we underline queen. What is the husband we call? King. Correct. So, the queen is very kind. It's a feminine gender. So, it goes into the purple box. Shall we put it here? Good. The queen is very kind. We underline the queen, it's a feminine gender, and it's put over here. Do you enjoy? You like this exercise? Let's look at our next one. Curd. Look here. Read this for me. Remember, the sentence begins with a capital letter, end with the full stop. Look at this. My father is a doctor. Read. My father is a doctor. Your father. Your father is feminine or masculine gender? Good, masculine. Father is a man. Now we underline father is a masculine gender. And which box are you going to put it? Good, in the red box. So we put father in the red box. Masculine gender. Very good. Let's look at another sentence. Are you enjoying, children? Good. Here we are. Here's another sentence, begins with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. Let's read together. My sister is very sweet. Is your sister very sweet? Yes, good. My sister. Sister, the word sister. Is it masculine or feminine? Feminine, very good. You have a sister who is very sweet? Yes. So sister is a feminine gender. We underline. Now, which box does it go to? Good. It goes into the purple box. Sister is a feminine gender, so we put in the purple box. My sister is very sweet. You like the exercise? Let's look at our next sentence. Here we are. Let's read the next sentence. It's a sentence that begins the capital letter into the full stop. Ram is very intelligent. The boy Ram, very clever fellow. So the Ram is very intelligent. What is Ram? Name of a boy. Name of a boy, Ram. Ram is masculine or feminine gender? Definitely masculine. So we underline Ram, masculine gender. Now which box will you put it? We put it into the red box. Good. So Ram goes into the red box. It's a masculine gender. Ram is very intelligent. Next, let's go to the next sentence. Look. Here is a sentence that begins with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. Geeta loves ice cream. Geeta loves ice cream. Who is Geeta? A little girl. Yes? Girl is masculine or feminine? Feminine. So we underline Geeta. And which box will you put, Geeta? You will put into the feminine box. So Geeta goes into this. Geeta loves ice cream. feminine gender. Very good. Let's look at our next sentence. I hope you're enjoying the exercise. Let's read the sentence. My brother went to school. M capital. You have a full stop at the end of the sentence. My brother went to school. Brother. Brother is feminine or masculine? Definitely masculine. We underline brother. So brother is a masculine gender. So which box will you put into? We'll put it into the red box. Feminine, masculine gender, it goes into the red box. My brother went to school. Good. Let's go on to another sentence and identify the word that is feminine or masculine. Here is a sentence that begins with a capital letter and with the full stop. The hen gives us egg. The hen gives us egg. What is hen? Is it masculine or feminine? She lays eggs for us. Hen is feminine. We underline hen. And where will we put? It goes into the purple box. Very good. The hen gives us egg. Hen, feminine gender. Are you enjoying the exercise? Let's take another new sentence. Hen gives us egg. Hen goes into the feminine gender. Let's take our next sentence. Her husband is a teacher. Her husband is a teacher. The sentence begins with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. Oh dear, husband. Husband is a masculine or feminine gender? Masculine gender. Husband is a masculine gender. Underline that word. Good. Now, husband goes into which column? Masculine column, that is red. So we put it into the red box. Husband is a teacher. A husband is a teacher. Husband, masculine, we put it into this box. Are you enjoying the exercise? Let's look at our next sentence. Look. My aunt bought me a bag. What did your aunt buy you? A bag. M capital. It begins and ends with the full stop. My aunt bought me a bag. The word aunt. You have an aunt? Yes. Aunt is a masculine or feminine gender. Very good. It's a feminine gender. Your aunt is a feminine gender. So we underline aunt. Now which box will you put into? The feminine gender is what color box? Purple. So your aunt goes here. Very good. My aunt bought me a bag. Aunt we underline. It's a feminine gender and it goes into the purple box. Very good. Shall we take another sentence, children? Look. The king lives in a palace. Sentence begins with a capital letter, ends with the full stop. The king. What is his wife? Queen. The king. King is a feminine or masculine? Masculine gender. We underline king, masculine gender. And then where do we place it? In the red box. So the king goes down here. King lives in a palace. Yes, he lives in a palace, big posh house. Look, let's look at all the masculine genders and feminine genders now. Masculine gender, father, Ram, brother, husband, king. Feminine gender, queen, sister, Gita, hen, aunt. So we learn to identify, we learn to underline and put it into the correct box. Masculine gender box, feminine gender box. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good.